guys, in today's video I'm gonna review this product. It's a Keratin Replenisher, and I literally just washed my hair. I just took a shower, so I'm sorry that it looks so messy. But this product you should apply on freshly washed hair, towel dried, and you should apply a small amount in your palms, rub palms, and distribute evenly through your hair with your fingers. Blow dry and or flat iron for best results. You may also try it over dry hair. Yeah, that's exactly what it says. Okay, so let's try it out. It smells very nice. Oops, I just put it all over my TV stand. Okay, I gotta clean it later. My puppy is here to help me. Oh, you can't see it. Well, whatever. Okay, so let's apply some. I'm gonna start with this amount. No. I think he likes the smell, but it's not for puppies. Oh my god, he's crazy about the smell. He loves it. The smell pretty good. No, tortellino. It's not food. I think this is a fine amount. I'm gonna try to apply a little bit more. No. Okay, so now we're in my bedroom. I'm just gonna brush through and then start blow drying. I hope I applied the right amount. I didn't really apply a lot, but they said, you know, small amounts, so. Now I'm just gonna finish it off with this Revlon volumizer and blow dryer. First impressions, I really like the product. We'll see how my hair will look like after I wash it, but for now it's definitely, it feels more sleek, more soft, like it feels like I just did the keratin treatment, so we'll see. It was a lot easier to blow dry it. Like, I don't feel any tangles, which I usually feel. It feels like a very nice leave-in conditioner. It definitely feels like it's working. So yeah. For now, thumbs up. I really like the product. We'll see if it's gonna make my keratin treatment last longer. Hi guys. So today is third day after using the Keratin Replenisher. I just washed my hair. Well, few hours ago, but I just blow dried my hair when it was pretty much, like, I would say maybe 90% dry, 95% dry, like basically almost fully dry. And this is how my hair looks like, and wow. I mean, I'm amazed how soft and silky and sleek it is. It's incredible, I gotta say. I'm very, very happy with this product. I didn't expect it to work so well, and I only applied a very small amount of the product which they advise, you know, use a small amount, rub it and apply it on your hair. So I did that, but I'm just so impressed how well it worked, even though, you know, I didn't use super high heat, I didn't use, you know, straightening iron, and I used a very small amount of the product. So yes, I can definitely approve. And usually when I wait, you know, until my hair is basically fully dry, then it's very hard for me to blow dry my hair and not get, you know, any waves and any curls, because my hair is naturally curly. And as you may know, keratin treatment, at least the one I used, does not straighten your hair fully. I mean, the hair will be a lot sleeker, and also it won't be frizzy, but if I would just air dry my hair, it would be wavy. That's what it is. I mean, there are some like super strong keratin treatments out there, but I didn't use it. I used the lightest keratin treatment I could find, the one without formaldehyde. So I didn't expect to, you know, fully straight my hair with that product. But yeah, I just blow dry my hair with a regular blow dryer, and I also use the tangle teaser brush. I have like a round brush, you know, you can use it with a blow dryer, but I don't know, it's a pain in the ass to use it. It's a lot faster to just use, you know, my regular tangle teaser when I'm blow drying my hair, and that's it. That's all. Like, and my hair was pretty much dry, which is incredible because it was so easy to still straight it. I mean, like I said, it was wavy and around my hair was kind of curly, and I only used, you know, blow dryer on medium heat, tangle teaser, and my hair is pretty much straight and super soft. Also, after the keratin treatment, my hair dries a lot faster. You know, before I would wait like 5 hours and sometimes my hair would still be wet, which is incredible. But yeah, it took forever to air dry my hair, and even blow dry my hair, it still would take a long time. Now I used maybe this blow dryer for like a minute or two maximum, and my hair was dry and straight, and I look like I just, you know, straight my hair. That's pretty nice. I definitely like it, and I will definitely repurchase this product. It costs around $25 on Amazon, and it's a pretty big bottle, and you don't need to use it every time you wash your hair, which is pretty spectacular. Like, I still see effects after using it 3 days ago, so that's pretty amazing. I don't know how often you should use this product, but I think it I mean, at least once a month, I think. I will try to see if my hair will need this product after a week or after 2 weeks. I'll reapply it again, small amount, and blow dry my hair as usual, and I'll let you know. But for now, I feel like this product will definitely keep my hair frizz-free, straight for longer, and so I won't need to do the keratin treatment as often as I used to. Usually I would do the keratin treatment around 2-4 months, depends what product I use to wash and style my hair, and how often I style my hair with, like, you know, super high heat tools like, you know, straightening iron or like curling iron, because I've noticed whenever I use for example a curling iron pretty often, then the keratin treatment results deplenish a lot faster. So I think with the Keratin Replenisher product, I may, you know, be able to, you know, go without the keratin treatment a lot longer. If you have any questions, then please leave them down below in the comment section. And if you want me to do an update on this product in, I don't know, a month or two, let me know. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.